thank you, Ulysses, for helping us with the test. Ulysses, so you have logged in the apps and it seems that you can now click ready. And the drone will start to initiate the mission. Okay, it will do everything same as what you are doing on the web command center. Everything is preset, so this will be a manual mission, and then after it takes off, you need to control the drone manually using the virtual joystick. Okay, so now it's activating the drone, checking everything. Okay. Take off. Yeah, it's taking off. So once it reaches the geofence space, the joystick, the virtual joystick will pop up. And you can control. Yeah, it has to reach to over 60 meters. Yep. Yeah. Now you can. Yeah. Yeah. So the left side, that's for controlling the gimbal, and then the right one, that's for the drone. Yeah, now you can move around using your phone, which is, I think, is more convenient if you have preset everything on the web. You can also take videos or pictures if you like. You can also, yeah, zoom in, zoom out. Zoom out, yeah. Yeah, taking a picture. Yeah. Yeah. Return to home. Then it will return to home automatically. Same as if you're using the web command center for the control. Same as it reaches the home point, above the home point, then it will start to land. Yeah. And also when it gets down below 20 meters, then the position landing algorithm will be initiated. Yeah, position landing started. Yeah. Yeah. It's maneuvering. Yeah. Landed. Yeah. And then you can click to end. Shut down. Yeah. Yeah, and then the charge bars are closing. Lock the drone in the center, and then charge it for the next mission. Turn off the drone. And close the canopy.
那个就是你漏的那几张打了没？我打印出来了。不是，我的意思是就发票没打。发票会打呀，发票他不是要把票把那个。
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So this is yeah. This is how you control it remotely from the mobile phone and then from Mexico to China.